So hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Windows 11, which is a very hot topic right now. Everybody is making videos about it. It's so trending right now. Everybody using it. Even the insider preview, which is not stable yet. So I'm gonna give my thoughts or opinions on the Windows 11. First of all, this is not the real version which comes to everyone, which is stable. This is the beta version, which are going to be a bit laggy, buggy, because they are fixing this yet. So Microsoft has really focused on user interest, what we need, what we want on the Windows 11, because they have changed all the UI. Like they added smooth bezels, round bezels, like they look like good, like not boxy like Windows 10. They really looks good this time. Like start has a glass effect, like start button. Here you can search it. They updated in this latest insider preview update, and this is very useful. The other change they made in the file explorer, because you can see that they changed the icons and they changed the upper view tab. Like now we have options here, and they changed here also the right click window here also, and they changed it here. Like it's bit up big, and you say like it's glassy round edges like that, and they changed all the icons. They changed this PC icons. Recycle is not that bit changed, but everything is changed now. Like you have this. The other change they made in the control center. Like if you click here, that it's useful, only useful like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane. They will come. The notification comes here, which is with the calendar, and they added like they centered the taskbar, centered like macOS. Many were demanding the center, and there was a settings option was also there in Windows, in which you can center, but not this. So they've done it, and they added widgets. They added widgets, like I found them useful, like they use, and I found them useful widgets. And the other changes, which is a big change, I would say, because that is settings. The settings is all revamped. Like you see that were like other format, now it's like list. You can see which all the effects, animations, and all. You have a Bluetooth and device, you have network and internet, personalization and stuff, gaming, Windows update, like you're up to date here. Like they've changed a lot the settings. You find settings, but and the other, they changed the icons of control panel also. Let me show you control panel. If you go to the control panel, you see it's bit more white, and they changed the icons. They this looks, control panel looks different, looks futuristic, looks new. And the next change is the Microsoft Store. They changed it all. Yeah, you heard it right. Microsoft Store. Let me show you. If you go to the icon is changed, and you go to that, it's more useful. The before version was useless. The Windows 10 version is totally useless. Some apps are useful now. Rest are all useful. It's and the Android apps. You can see Android apps. You can download Instagram. Like I have downloaded Instagram too. Here, let me open it to Instagram. As you can see, Instagram. Like this is an app. I don't know, but it's operating through browser, but it seems like apps. Okay. And Studio upgrading it on unsupported device. So I made that you can, but if you have, I said now, if you have 2 PCs or 3 PCs where you can not rely on them, that's not your. If you have other PC, that's your main, then you can on unsupported device. If you are wondering how it's look like or not, you can. So this is all about my opinion on the Windows 10. You should upgrade, or what all the changes and all the things they've done in this. All the, and I'll make a compilation or animation video where all the changes are complete. So that video is also coming. Wait for that. And that's it for the guys. If you have it not subscribed, subscribe it right now, because there's so much content coming on Windows 11, the real content, everything. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys. That's it for the days. Bye bye.